Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am reviewing a growing system by LetPot. So this is actually a 21 pods type of a growing system. It comes with an adjustable height of a lamp, and you can fully control this one through the smart application. Through the smart application, you can adjust the LED brightness, as well as you can choose the schedule of the light to work on, so you can make it anywhere between like as many hours per day as you want per 24 hours. Then you can choose between the modes, so you can choose this one to work for vegetables or spices, whatever works for you, as well as you can use the auto mode. And this is how I grew my plants, with the auto mode. The auto mode works amazing. That basically means that it is gonna take the plant's food as well as the water as much as it needs, automatically gonna adjust the water level and the food. Auto mode, it's a great thing. You can also use it on manual mode if you'd like to, whatever works for you. I used mine on auto mode. It's definitely, in my opinion, better because it's just easier for you, and kind of the system knows like better than you do. It has all these possible sensors. Then you can control the cycling pump, and you can see how many days your plants are out there since the very first day of planting. I used this one for 13 days, and on the 13th day, I replanted them outside of the growing system by LetPot in 2 pots, and I've put them outside. What I grew is I grew sunflowers that went completely crazy. I also did corn, which corn went absolutely crazy as well, and I did tomatoes. And well, guys, let's get started with the review. I'm so very excited to show you everything in the entire process from day 0 until today. And guys, the results are absolutely amazing. Well, let's get started. So very excited, guys, to show you the unboxing and my full experience with this LetPot LPH-Max 21 pods hydroponic growing system. Now this one is coming in 12 pods as well, so you're welcome to choose between 12 or 21 pods, whatever works better for you. I've got the 21 pods, and I can tell you that's a way better experience than getting the 12 pods, but obviously the decision is up to you. So first of all, what's in the package? So first of all, it comes with a large light panel and with an extendable rod. So you can extend the rod, you can make it higher as your plants are growing, or you can make it lower once you just basically putting the seeds inside the pods, and this is how and when you need the light to be at the lowest position. It comes with a basket, with a standard rowing track, with a large water tank, and with an operation screen on the side of the panel. Then it came with 21 sponges, a sponge per pod, as well as with a 21 basket kits. Also, it came with 2 different trays. So it came with a fruit / big plant growing tray, which this one has just basically 2 pods. Also, it came with a 2 big basket and 2 big sponge for these 2 big pods. So this tray is basically only have space for 2 big fruit or any type of big plant growing tray. And well, of course, that if you want to grow something big that requires a bigger space, absolutely you should go for this tray. The other tray that it came with, so basically it came with 2 different trays with the 2 big holes and with the 21 pods spaces for 21 pods. Now it also came with 10 shade covers. So for those pods that you are not going to use, you just simply can cover them with the specific shade cover that it came in, and that's basically to prevent the water from changing the stage from water into steam, and it's helpful. It also came with a 21 germination covers for the seeds. So once you just basically plant your seeds, you need these to give them the most like humidity, the most like space to grow and to grow their roots, so you will get a faster and best result on your growing plants. Then I've got A and B solid nutrient. This is a plant food, and these are helping the plants to grow. It also came with 10 tags, which is so very fun. You also have this little specially designed little like holes on the tray to put the tags, so you're welcome to write whatever you want on these tags. Me specifically, I'm gonna do sweet corn, I'm gonna do tomatoes, and I'm gonna do sunflowers. So these tags are extra useful for me because I basically just wrote what I planted, and this is how I know who is who, right? Then it also came with stickers, which you can use these, instead of the pods. And also it came with a transport pipe. This is for the automatic mode, and it even came with a support rods. So it came with 20 support rods, and these are amazing if you are growing something that climbs, like tomatoes needs these. It's like necessary for tomatoes, strawberries, and so very on. So guys, it comes with everything you need. Like you don't know you need it, and it's already in the package. So yeah. Then the display is very intuitive and user-friendly. It's easy to understand. It shows you every single thing through the smart application as well as on the display. And you can see things from water level, brightness of the lamp, which you can totally control. Now guys, this is the newest and the upgraded version of the LetPot, and I am definitely excited about this one. It has a second generation control chip, which is adding a sponge protection. It is monitoring the water level, which is more precise. Also, the smart application control now with the upgraded version has the ability to adjust your nutrient solution concentration, which this is important for professional planters. And now I'm one of them. Oh my god, so very excited. So guys, this LetPot Max hydroponic system is the world's first system to offer the totally automatic watering and nutrient supply. So yes, even for the plant food, you have a specially designed different area where you're just putting the nutrients, the plant food into this tank, and you can control the plant food, how much it's gonna get and how often your plant's gonna get the nutrients. Also, LetPot has a water level sensor, so it will detect once and when the water is low at the water tank, and it's gonna automatically draw water from an external source while providing the perfect amount of nutrients to your plants. All that to ensure that the plants that you planted always have the right amount of water and the right amount of the nutrients. So there is no need to manually watering and nutrient your plants. It is all automated with this LetPot. Now it has even more smart and automatic features. It's equipped with an 8-level adjustable plant light system, which is allowing to customize the light brightness of the lamp, totally adjustable, to adjust the light intensity for different type of plants. About the Max lighting. So Max's grow lights are the real deal at 24 watts. It's perfect for keeping the plants thriving. Plus, these Max grow lights aren't just adjusting the brightness on the fly, but you can also set them up when they kick in and when they call it a day. It also features a water and nutrient deficiency reminders that gonna arrive directly to your smartphone through the application, as well as they're gonna be shown on the screen. That to ensure the optimal plant growth. And the smart application offers all type of remote OTA, all type of updates, of notifications, of a plant encyclopedia that you can read about everything that you're growing, everything you're planting. You can read advices, tips. It's like a real encyclopedia for plants, as well as a plant diary. So yes, you can have a plant diary. How cool is that? Through the smart application that's called LetPot. It has a few planting modes, so you can choose whichever you prefer. So LetPot got you covered. It's actually a really nice flexibility for us, the users. So you have two different LED lighting modes with the hydroponic growing system. So whatever your plants require more blue light for vegetable growth, or more of like, let's say, a red light for blooming, in case you are growing, let's say, flowers. So this system offers a full control over your indoor garden. So you can totally customize your growing experience to meet the unique needs of your plants and ensure that they are doing great. So you're welcome to choose between the two LED lighting modes for the lamp. Once again, more red light for flowers or for anything that's about to bloom, or more blue light for things like vegetables or herbs. Now let's talk about the design. I am a total fan of this stylish design. It comes in a stainless steel finish. It's not too big, but it's not too small, so it takes some space on my desk. And the design is so very slick. I love that you can totally control the lamp height, and it's not just built to last, but it's also a perfect fit for any home or office. It can even be used as a decor, because once you will see the plants growing, oh my god, it looks really gorgeous on anyone's desk or on any type of a shelf. Well guys, it's been 12 growing days and it's time to plant them outside. The corn, gosh, the corn went crazy. I mean, check it out. The corn went completely and totally crazy. Check out the roots. Wow, the roots went crazy. Oh my god, these are some huge roots. Corn went crazy. Now tomatoes. Let me see. Oh my god, look at this root. And the sunflowers. Oh wow. Look at these roots. How cool. Well, it's time to replant them outside, and this is exactly what I'm gonna do today. We're done. So in 12 days, these are the results. So all these were tomatoes, these are sunflowers, and all these are corn. Man, it went crazy. I am totally in love with this system. It grows way faster than the other one that I reviewed. Well, this one is like higher quality and like better model, more developed model with more options. It is worked really well for me. I used this growing system on the automated mode with the extra water right here, and it just worked amazing. 12 days. And it's just grew out all absolutely amazing, fantastic, super fast. Like it's about 3 times faster than the other growing system I reviewed here on my channel. Highly recommend you guys to check this LetPot out. It's definitely did an amazing job for me. Well guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video of mine. My results are absolutely crazy, fantastic results. In just 13 days, my plants went from basically being like zero, being like a seed, into just like huge grown up type of plants. Can't wait to harvest the tomatoes, can't wait to harvest the corn, as well as the sunflowers, the seeds from the sunflowers. This is so very exciting for me. And guys, please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. I had a great, amazing experience. The plants grows really quick. Like that's the fastest grow of a plant that I've ever seen in my entire life. And guys, I will definitely highly recommend you to check LetPot out. Well, that was actually all for today. I will leave you all the links for LetPot down below at the description box, as well as I will leave you all the necessary information for you, like coupon codes, sales, promotions, discount codes, every possible way to save some money of yours. And guys, be so very sure to check out this LetPot growing system. Again, all the links as well as all the coupon codes and ways to save some money of yours, everything down below at the description box of this video of mine. Well, that was actually all for today. I truly hope you had fun watching me growing these plants, that it went absolutely amazing for me. And I'll see you all in my next videos. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I love you all. XOXO Valentine.